Chris from Queanbeyan-Palerang Family Daycare, and today we'll be doing the drinking candle experiment. For this experiment you will need a candle. You can use a smaller one like a birthday candle, it doesn't have to be this big. You'll need a plate that you can pour some water into. You'll need a clear glass that you can put over the top of your candle. It has to be glass as well. And you'll need some water, and we're going to colour our water green. Lastly, you will need something to light the candle with. If you are using matches, please make sure you're being supervised by an adult. So first of all, I'm going to make the water green. So I'm just going to add some green food colouring. It doesn't have to be a colour, but it helps with the experiment because you'll be able to see the water better. So I'm just going to stir that up. And now we've got the candle in the middle of the plate. We're just going to very gently pour some water on the bottom. All right. Now, it's nice and easy. All we need to do is use our matches. Again, if you're using matches, make sure you've got an adult supervising. I'm going to light our candle, hopefully. So we've lit our candle, so we're just going to hold the glass over the top of the candle, but not put it over the top, just to heat up the air inside the glass before we put it over. This will give us a better reaction when we do put it over the top of the candle. So that should be good. We're just going to put the glass over now. You can see down the bottom there's a small amount of water that has been sucked up. So we have acquired a new candle. We're going to try it with a smaller candle to see if we get a stronger result, because it was quite hard to see the water being sucked up into the glass. So we've already lit our candle. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to hold our glass over the candle just a little bit to heat up the air inside the glass. When you're doing this, make sure you don't put it down over the candle just yet. So that should be enough. And then we want to put this over the candle, and you can see the water's been sucked up and the candle's now floating. So what's happening is the candle is burning oxygen to make the flame, and that's heating up the area around it. So when we put the glass over the top of the candle, all right, the candle's burning whatever oxygen is left over in the glass, and when it runs out of that oxygen, it'll put itself out. When the air is being heated up, it's pushing out, and that will push some of the air out through the water underneath, down the bottom of the glass. And when the candle goes out, the air will cool down quickly, and to compensate for that air being pushed out, some air from the outside will push the water back in, and that'll suck the water back up into the glass. So how this experiment works is when we light we do that again.